Tonight I am staying at the Eldorado in Reno, Nevada, and this is one of 3 properties that make up the Row, which is also referred to as a city within a city, the other 2 being Circus Circus and Silver Legacy. So in the bathroom, as you can see, this is a shower tub combo, and that's in contrast to the room I had the other night at Silver Legacy, which was a walk-in shower, and that was very nice, I might add. So here above the sink, you do have a fairly large backlit mirror. And on the side wall, you do have a makeup mirror. And if you come in the month of March like I did, you're gonna need a jacket. So this open closet will come in handy. In fact, I heard it might snow tomorrow, which is a total bummer. So this is a premium 2 queen. And this is above the luxury, deluxe, and petite rooms, which go down in size with each one that I just named, and also in price, obviously. Between the 2 beds, you do have a lamp, and on each side of the lamp, you do have an outlet, and hey, look, an alarm clock. So also above each bed, you do have dimmable lighting. So if you want to read a book at night after you've lost all your money on the Row, you can. So let's take a look at some of the artwork on the walls. And this television, despite being listed as 42-inch on the website, I checked the back and that is 50. So I don't know if it's just this room or all premium rooms, but that is a 50-inch. On the right side below the television, you do have a safe. And a free tip if you want to save money on beer, soda, juice, anything like that. You're going to pay more obviously at the Row, whether you're looking at a gift shop or a restaurant. So there is a place called Friends Liquor and Convenience Store. And all you have to do is go where Silver Legacy meets Eldorado, take the crosswalk across Virginia Street, and you will find it. In fact, I got a 12-pack of Coors Light for $14.99, which is not bad. They also had Bud Light for the same price. So included in the room, you do have 2 bottles of water, which are pretty small. And also included free of charge is a Keurig coffee maker and 4 Starbucks K-Cup pods. And by free of charge, I mean with the resort fee. So here you do have a refrigerator. And one nice thing about the Eldorado is whether you have a premium, luxury, deluxe, they all include the refrigerator and the coffee. And also included in the resort fee, I should say, is complimentary shuttle access to and from Reno-Tahoe International Airport from all 3 resorts on the Row. So I'll get a night video later of the view outside the room. So if you have a premium room, it should be noted that they are all in the Skyline Tower. Skyline Tower rooms come down by the hotel registration. The luxury rooms are available in the Sierra Tower, and deluxe rooms are located in the Sierra and Virginia Towers. So also, I should say, doesn't really matter to me, but these are Serta Presidential Suite plush mattresses. So I look forward to a good night's sleep tonight. And in closing, for my money, I have to say that I really had high expectations for this room. And I'm a little bit disappointed. I prefer my stay at the Silver Legacy. I thought the room was really nice, every single aspect of it. So if I had to choose between the 2 next time, I would definitely take Silver Legacy, I think. Thank you for watching. Tonight I earned enough points for a free bottle of wine from the Eldorado. Unfortunately, I cannot bring it on a plane, so I'll find someone to give it to on the gaming floor tonight. And let's take that look outside. And that is the National Bowling Stadium, where once upon a time Roy Munson lost a $1 million winner-take-all tournament to Big Ernie McCracken. That was unfortunate. And over here is the Reno Arch, declaring itself the biggest little city in the world.